Possessive adjectives. What are possessive adjectives? They're used to show possession and ownership. Possessive adjectives plus nouns. For example, my books. Subject pronoun I. Possessive adjective my. The girl says, I have a brother. He's my brother. My brother's happy. Subject pronoun you. Possessive adjective your. You have a bag. It's your bag. Your bag isn't blue. Subject pronoun he. Possessive adjective his. He has a ball. It's his ball. His ball is red. Subject pronoun she. Possessive adjective her. She has a horse. It's her horse. Her horse can run fast. Subject pronoun it. Possessive adjective its. It has a neck. Its neck. Its neck is long. Subject pronoun we. Possessive adjective our. The students say, we have a teacher. She's our teacher. Our teacher's kind. Subject pronoun you. Possessive adjective your. The teacher says, you have a classroom. It's your classroom. Your classroom is big. Subject pronoun they. Possessive adjective their. The boy says, they have a baby. He's their baby. Their baby is asleep. Practice. Fill in the gaps.